Week 2 is Display Donna. Display Donna is generally detached from the abundance of items around her. She doesn't view them as clutter. They're just a fact of life. Because seeing is believing for Donna, for her to get motivated to become organized, she should look at before and after photos of others' organization projects. Creating a paper or digital vision board with photos, images, and notes will keep her inspired. Sharing photos of her success online will motivate other visual people to do the same. Characteristics. She keeps everything out and in clear sight because she believes out of sight is out of mind. She has multiple projects going on simultaneously and will complete some, but not all of them. She needs to work in surroundings that are beautiful, stimulating, and comfortable. She has too many books that she doesn't use and sometimes accidentally purchases items she already owns. Fast first projects. Pick a project, like organizing your books, that can be completed in one session. Sort and save only those books that you will use or reference. Organize them neatly on a bookshelf. Donate books you won't use. Clear flat surfaces to create more workspace because flat surfaces are prime real estate for working, not piling. Hang a no clutter zone sign as a reminder. Identify the first cluttered area that is visible when entering the sewing room. Declutter and organize this area and use it as a daily reminder of success. Optimal organizing tools. Shopping tip. Before making any purchases to help create organization, use your creative side to think about utilizing items already on hand. Baskets and mason jars are great for organizing and are likely already in your home. Bulletin boards and pegboards are perfect for out-in-the-open storage. Decorate them with personal flair. Open shelves and clear bins are great for organizing fabric and notions. You will be more likely to maintain the system if items are contained but easy to see.